Hello, and this is a new product we are selling on the store. It is a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. So this is the box that it comes in. Obviously, I'm going to wrap it with tape, but we aren't taping it right now because I have a few extra stuff to add. So first, it's gonna have packing peanuts in it, and then it will have the product right here. This is it. Right here. Hold on, let me get into frame. There we go. Yeah. So let me bring the camera down a little so you can kind of see. Let's put this down here, and let's open this bad boy up. So find the tape. Peel this tape off. And some tape down here. This tape. Okay, so unravel this thing. Is there one layer of tape right here? Yes, there is. This tiny bit of tape here. Oh my goodness, it keeps getting taped to me. Oh my god. Why? Technical difficulties. Yeah. And, bada bing, bada boom. This is the product right here, and I don't really know if I want to handle it. So here is this, and then it also comes with that metal piece, and yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it be so I don't damage the product. And yeah, that is our new product. I'll have the links down in the comments and description. Have a wonderful day. Bye.